Guys, we're here at Merchant Chefs. Steve, there's my brother. There's the Minnesota Travel Brother. Yeah, here we go. And this is Dave.
Hello.
Dave's in charge of the whole thing here. Yeah. We are slicing meat here, making some ham. I wonder what delicious thing this is going to be. It's awesome. Thanks, you guys, for sponsoring us.
Thank you.
So yesterday they broke a record and they served over 21,000 meals. They had over 100 workers here yesterday, but everybody had to go to work. So good timing on our part. There's only probably 30 of us here today, and they expect to break a record again. So there you go. Pepsi company down here stopped bottling Pepsi, or no, Dr. Pepper. They stopped bottling Dr. Pepper so that they could bottle. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pepsi go. All right. Minnesota Travel Brother, get in here.
How's it going?
It's about time to start serving the people. Start
feeding the people.
Feeding the people. They are lining up. Already pretty much around the block. We're start serving here in about 15 minutes. They're thinking they're gonna break another record today. We'll see. Woo! Woo! Over 100,000 meals.
So that is crazy. Actually today marks a week. So that is insane. I just want to say thank you.
Yeah!
Woo!
Woo!
That's amazing. Time volunteering with us. Been out here a few days. Like, you all are part of this. So thank you for feeding your community. For those who have traveled, whether you're we have people from everywhere. I mean, it's insane. So thank you. We cannot do this without you. Today we're going to be serving shepherd's pie. We're going to start with the pudding, and then we're going to go to some cakes. Then you might go to something else. Same with the shepherd's pie. So we're just kind of rolling through a couple of different meal profiles today. And also the bread. You're going to see a couple of different breads. So a medley of a little bit of everything. So there you go. But it'll be a great time. We'll have a great service for sure. I'm going to go ahead and pray, and I'll show you an example of our plate. And then we'll start rocking and rolling. For my people out here,
Yeah. What are we doing, Steve?
We're doing good.
Feeding the people.
We're feeding it.
Feeding the people. God bless you. All right. That's what it's all about here. Minnesota Travel Brother there. We've handed out a lot of meals. About right here. Almost one. That's what it's all about right here. Look at that. Shepherd's pie. Had it. Cutting turkey this time. Huh? Nothing. Hey, Minnesota Travel Brother.
How you doing?
Ooh, breadsticks. Look at them breadsticks.